chairman ukuthi chairman may understand ukuthi ibhola it's not all about ucoach. Ibhola is all about ababukeli supporters and sidlalile njengami kanje. I'm coming from Destroyer, I'm coming from youth of the league. Yabona, I'm the one of the players. Yeah. So akungabe ama-politics when it comes to the soccer. This is World Cup. Yabona. And a coach may not do that ukuthi enze into yenzayo kithi. Yabona. Thina we South African, we've got our own thing thina. Sinebhola lethu la eMzansi. If I can remind you, we could step back and move. Yabona. Hayi into zamanje ngoba sesikhole nyuku mari. Sikhuluma ngebhola la eMzansi. Esegazini. Asikhulumi ngebhola lesigele. Elifundwa esikolweni. Akazodlala ngazo uBrigade, yabona. Otherwise akaphanto zakhe avaye. But what the message I'm passing to the chairman, Ubra Ivan, uSkuvet, mfethu khuluma nabantu bakho mfethu beke politics. Into zakho sibeke pension for ini. Because they can do things happen. The Porras can do things happen. We are the champions of the league. Yini into engathi bayahesitate ngayo for thina. Yini. Why don't you give them the chance, bro? But let's say in a pension. Knowing that ubenzeni. Eh? No, ngasipoli point esesimzansi.
Akusipoli, bayibulala.
Hayi, nesibulala. Sinebhola lethu la eMzansi thina. Yeah, bangasenzeni nonsense. I'm one of the players. Mina nguSparks. Yeah, from Destroyer to Orlando Pirates. Mina, youth one. And to come together as one. Abo Atazwane, baphuma kimi. Lot of the youngsters baphuma kimi from Destroyer to Emahlobo. Hey, I can talk a lot. Lot of players. Jomo Solo can tell the truth about me. Ibhola silidlalile eSoweto eMahlobo. I'm talking about the youngsters mina from under 13. Yeah. Under 13. Abozwane. I can count the Lord. If they can see me, knowing me, together, where I'm coming from, I will come together. EMahlobo. With the youngsters, abadlala professional today. Yeah. EMahlobo. Yeah.
No, Madala Sibaya siyabonga Themba.
Yeah.
Siyabonga legend.
Bakamosha ibhola laseMzansi baneze labo.
Hayi. Siyabonga legend.
Yes.
Thank you.